Hao ndio tunaona hapa wanafanya kazi. Hao ni wafanyikazi wetu. Hakuna. Wewe wacha. Yeah. Let's see whatever they are doing. What are you doing? My friend, you are just eating. You are eating. Look at this guy. Joy shika. Yes, ego. Kitambo sana. Si. Kule watu na chai ushipe. Amesema tusikule juu tutaumwa na tumbo basi. Bisonga ni maki yasi.
Inaonekana vizuri nikifunga.
We're not supposed to eat this. About when the home to Toendo. Either boil or you karanga it. Hii kazi ni ngumu. I can't wait to be back in Nakuru, you people. Hapa nateseka. No resting. You wake up at 6. Imagine. And the way I'm used to sleeping, I love sleeping. Wake up at 6. You're not just supposed to stay idle like this at home. Kama ufanye kitu, natafutiwa job, unafanya what. See, sasa niko shamba, but tomorrow you guys see. I'm going back. The next video I'll do, I'll be in Nakuru. I'll see you there, guys. But right now, let me do this. We have been here for 2 hours. And can you show them? Honestly, to cover this gun. See, to cover your place. Like for you, so I think maybe we are supposed to do like halfway. I think we're supposed to do like halfway. Ndo tuende home, but sasa hata sijui ndio tuko quarter ama tuko wapi. And it's 12. So maybe tunaweza toka back to kama saa 8 hapo. Yeah, I'll be so tired. Pray for me. Pray for me, guys. Oh, look at these guys. Simsalimie watu hata waone moyo. Watu wanafanya kazi. This is my niece. Inaitwa niece. Yeah. Okay. Acha tuendelee kidogo kidogo. Look at those boys there. Acha tuendelee kidogo tuone pale tutafikia. Tuambie salimia watu, sema hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah, she looks just like me. People think she's my daughter. When people think she's my daughter, but see, we look alike by the way. Wewe acha tunafanana. I've covered my head. My sister did my hair. Yeah, she's over here. She did my hair. I don't want my hair to be dirty, you know. I'm a slay queen. I like slaying. Yeah. Wacha hizo. Acha tuendelee basi na job before madhara tupate hapa anze maneno siasa. Hebu tuendelee na kazi bana. Hizo ndo umengoa sasa zimekaa smart. Mbona mimi zenye nimengoa hazina hizi manini? Hazina vitu mob mob, ama mimi ndio napata line mbaya. Yangu haina njugu mob hivyo. You people are so lucky. But anyway, si tutakula wote. Yeah, we are doing content. We are anaenda mbio Femi. She's used to working. She loves working. And she loves cooking. So around food anafanya kazi vizuri sana. Mwingine anacheka hapa. She was not here when we were nini. This is my other sister sasa. Wacha tumuone vingine wengine wanafanya. Nyi wavulana hebu inameni you boys. Iname. Na huyu anaslay amevaa mpaka socks kwa shamba jamani. Look at my feet. Mimi mwenyewe nimekanyaga chini. Huyu anaslay, wao ndo maslay kunua huku wenye walibaki. Okay, she's doing good. Mno zake zinamengoa hapo ndizo amezitupa. Si shamba ni kubwa bwana, tutaimaliza ama tuko kwa. What are you doing? Mbona unatema njugu? Ati ni kali, mbona umechukua njugu kama unajua ni kali? This upcoming slay queen. Yeah, na huyu ndo mama yake mrembo wake. Mama ya mrembo. These are two warembos. Yeah. Okay. Beauty with brains, huh? Yeah, beauty with brains. And slay na kona brains. Next week ni birthday yake. You people should send something. Yeah. Tumeni pesa, tumeni hata 10 bob. Hakuna pesa, watu ni wajinga. Watu si wajinga nini? Kwani si mtoto anataka akule? Yeah, she's turning 10 and she's going to grade 5. Amesoma mbio. Ona venye ni mdogo na under grade 5. Support her. You people. Send me money. Send me money. I will pin my number hapa kwa description. You send me something. And I'm serious. Wacha niiname sana sasa watu wasiseme kazi yako sasa ni kunini. Manza kusto, manza kuweka kwa gunia za kwenda home. Umechoka? Kazi yenu ni ngumu. Tumeachana na huyu. To my other sister. Tutakuja tumuone yeye hapa. Ni njugu zenyewe zimetapakaa huko na huko. Huyu anaweka zake sasa. Sasa tunaendelea mpaka wapi? Pia tumefika, imetosha. Zimejaa gunia mpaka home. Kwa hiyo guys, ndio nilikuwa naonyesha kuna sunflower huku. Kuna upepo, sijui kama mnanisikia. Hapo kuna viazi vitamu. kuna viazi vitamu, then hapo kulikuwa na nape grass kumekatwa, then huko kwingine ndio kuna sunflower. Sijui nifike ama see. There is sunflower. For those who don't know how sunflower looks like, sunflower iko na benefits gani? I'm alone, sina mtu wa kunishikia kamera ndio nikije kuonesha poa, so that I can explain to you. As you can see, sunflower iko mpaka huko, ni kubwa. It's a big farm on miti zetu. Hapo ni ka forest ketu somehow. Hey you guys nakanyaga chini and my feet hurts. See, and I feel so much joto. My head is burning. Okay, hapa sunflower ni fupi, as you can see. Our little forest. This farm is very big. This over here then. Ni kubwa sana. My feet. I'm so tired. I'm actually doing this tour, guys, and those guys are looking at me. Wakauko, I don't know if you can see them here. Wakauko, they are looking at me. They are calling me, "Kuja ufanye kazi." But you know what? Nafanya hii video. I'm doing this tour so that niwa happy kidogo, so that I can have a little bit of rest. I'm actually so very tired. I'm not used to these farm things, you know. Usi farm sunflower ndo hizo. Tunatokea huko na hapa tunakuja ndo hizo. Tumefika mwisho actually. Yeah. Kuna upepo. It's too much wind. Then we have what? Arrowroots. Not arrowroots. Zinaitwaje mihogo? Mihogo in English. What are they called? You guys, I don't know if I look funny with this thing, but yeah, you'll have to bear with me because I'm not removing it. See? Let me enter huko. Hizo mihogo zinaitwaje kwa English? Well, they're not arrowroots. Yeah, cassava. Yeah, that's the name I was looking for. So look, ni kafarm ketu ka mihogo, kadaga, ka portion. Kwa hivyo ni forest as usual. Okay. Then mihogo from there, like this, like that, like that, like that, like that. And then, yeah. Actually my feet. And then kuna sukuma. This aka ni kashamba ketu kwa sukuma. See? You guys, like, we are agriculture people. Though me I hate agriculture. Me, I'm not a shamba person, by the way. Mimi hiyo kazi bwana I'm not used to, but yeah, I grew up like this. So nimefanya for long, and then right now I say like I want to put a comma or a quit on the farm things. I want to do other things, okay? And then sukuma zetu vya ni mob sukuma. Like huku tuko na mboga kwa wingi. See? Yeah. Okay guys. There's a bite ya sukuma yote. Then over here kuna mandizi. Mandizi, look, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. We have 4 lines of what? Bananas. Acha tupitie hapa. My feet zangu zina hurt. Natomeka najua vibaya. So I want to cross niende hii side nyingine. My niece is actually shooting me, guys. Amenifuata. So you see, waonesha huko venye mandizi ziko. And then come and show them this one, so that they can see evidence. See? Ona ndo hiyo. Ya grow kuna kadogo. This is a sweet banana. Kadogo. We have variety of bananas here. So we don't buy bananas actually. Like it's very hard for us. It's very rare for us to buy food because tuko na food. Tuko na every kind of what? We are agriculture people, so we grow everything we grow. Because hata kama ni maziwa, because we have cows, we milk. Another banana ndio inakuja. Sianguke. For those who don't know how banana plantations looks like, this is it. Basically, that's all about it. And then, oops, kuna this other side. Yeah, also bananas this other side.
You can even pass from here.
Yeah.
Is that us?
Of course, ukirudi huku umerudi sasa home. Hii ni gate ya kuingia kwa shamba. Yeah, hii ni gate ya kuingia kwa shamba. You can show them there inside. Huko sasa ndio home. Okay, come back. So, hii ndio gate ya kuingia kwa shamba, so tunaingia tunafunga hapa. And so everything else is a shamba ziko huku, food and what, all the plantations are here. Then so you can pass from here. Come on, see. Kwa sababu kuna mboga zingine guys. Hapa kumazika hapa spinach. You can see. Oh, we also plant what? Tomatoes. Look at our tomatoes. What is here to buy nyanya? Like basically we plant everything. Yeah. Kwa hizo ina sukuma. Hakuna nyanya zimeiva?
Iko.
Let me show us. See guys, like this one. Don't need to dogo sahi tuja nini sana, but yes, naiva. So guys, we are going back. Tunaenda kwa nyuma penye watu wako ndio huko penye wana nini njugu, but I'm trying to give myself a little break, so I'm trying to give myself a little break, so I'm going to show you kwa garden. Kama kuna fruits, I'm going to check them. So garden mtu anaendea wapi?
Ni huku tu bado.
Huku. It has been so long since I came here. And kuna vitu zimechange, so don't worry guys. This is my home bag. It has been long since I was here. Yeah, this way now. is a wallet, look at it. And as you can see over there, I don't know, maybe it's Kanyagoko. I don't want to hurt my feet. But over there we have bees. We do beekeeping. Okay, and of course show them our small gate for the nini. Zoom in.
Yeah.
That's our small gate for the garden. As you can see hapo kuna we do beekeeping. We have a lot of honey. And my mom is a pro. And the one anatoa asali. Because yeah, for us we just eat. We don't even know the struggle she goes through to get the honey. But yeah, we enjoy it. And we have been doing beekeeping for the longest time since I was so young. We have been doing it for the past 20 years or so. Na ni nyingine pale. Other what? Those are bees. Of course you have a tree here, a tree of avocado. Avocado tree. You can show them avocado ndo hii hapa. We also have a strawberry tree by the way. We have a little strawberries over here. But size ya ziko. Like these ones. Zinakuanga but size ya ziko. Nice. We have a mango tree over there. Right now hakuna maembe. This is another avocado tree. Guys, most of the trees we have is here is the avocado too. Avocado. Even the vibe mostly. And then I see something here. Oh my god, my feet. What is this? Hii imekauka sahi but inakwanga. This is coffee. Is it coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coffee. Those hizi imekauka. But inakuwa small sana and we eat it. We also have other banana plantations over here. Hapa kuna avocado nyingi. See you guys. Hapa kwa avocado ziko kwa wingi, we don't even buy. We don't even know the price kwa market wanauzanga aje because zinakuanga always available. Kila season because we have like how many avocado trees?
I even don't know. There are so many.
So many. More than even 7. So hii kiisha ingine msimu wake imefikia kutoa ingine. Like avocados zinakuanga all through hapa kila time. So we enjoy them. Kila time kama hizo ndio nimeokota tu hapa ili kinaanguka. Yeah. So nikiweka 2 days tatu imeiva.
There is another avocado tree again.
Yeah, tunaona ile avocado imeiva pale kwa ile mti kama unazoona. Then kuna hizo nini za malenge. We have a lot of pumpkins. Tuko pale sisi kama unazoona. Avocado yangu ndio imeanguka chini bwana.
Nyingine ilianguka chini.
Lipo bondo hii malenge. We have a lot of pumpkins in the house. A lot of them. Hadi zingine zinaoza zinatupwa because hadi ziko mob hata watu wanashindwa kukula. So we have a lot of them. But basically it's about our garden, our little garden. So turudi kwa our main farm. Okay guys, that has been it for our garden. Of course, avocado. So nataka nirudi on the main farm because yeah, Wasione nimetoroka sana, sitaki kufanya kazi, but yeah. Let's go back and then I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. I'll see you in the next video, not necessarily tomorrow, but yeah, I'll just see you in the next video, guys. Have a good day and a nice year. Happy New Year. This year we are only doing positive vibes. We are not doing negative things. Yeah, positive vibes only. So let's get back to work. Iko wapi your fruits? What fruit is the nini?
But they call it mzabibu.
Oh yeah, mzabibu. Sijui inaitwaje in English. I don't even know the name. Okay, we also have passion fruits.
Yeah, but
ziko iko mbele kwa.
And there's another fruit that Kilemani always call it. Then there's machungwa there.
Of course, we have so many fruits. No, she knows better because she stays here a lot. So I don't know. But we have a lot of fruits, by the way. Ziko maybe kwa compound kwa other trees. Yeah, mapera, mizabibu, hizo matunda sukari, sijui zinaitwa white sapota and all that. Hizo ni nini? Hizo ni strawberries ama zinaitwa what? You want to eat? But hizi zimeisha, zinakuwaga moto. Where? We'll do another tour if you get time. But anyway, let's go. Tuambie watu bye. We'll see you in the next video.
See you at the next video.
Okay. Called. Yeah, sasa kuweka maziwa zile. These are the things that zinatumika kutemea. Yeah, zikisha kauka zinatengeneza those what. Zinatengeneza maziwa yenye imeganda. So you carry one, you show them. They are not dried. Zikidry sasa ndio huwa wanatengeneza, zinaweka zile hiyo maziwa ya kuganda kama ya Wakalenjin and all that. But nowadays everyone drinks that. Yeah, you can return it. And how did they grow these things?
They just grow. I don't know. Oh. Who's that
Oh, yeah,
Okay, what do I reckon now? How you're sleeping there?
I'm so tired.
Imani, don't go there.
Hi.
Go tell people hi.
Tell Papa. Hi. Tuseme hi.
Say hi. Hi people. Hi good people. Hi. How old are you? 5. 5 years? Yes. Good girl. Okay, let's go with that.